Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. JN. Today I'm going to show you how to solve this exponential equation. In brackets, 81 raised to the power of x all squared equal to 9 raised to the power of square root of x. Solution: 81 raised to the power of x all raised to the power of 2 is equal to 9 raised to the power of square root of x. In the left hand side, what we do, we multiply the powers. We have 81 raised to the power of x times 2 gives us 2x equals to 9 raised to the power of root of x. Next step, we express the left hand side and the right hand side in the same base, which is base 3. If we express 81 in base 3, it's the same thing as 3 raised to the power of 4, meaning 3 times 3 by itself 4 times to give us 81. All raised to the power of 2x equal to 3 raised to the power of 2, meaning 3 times 3 will give us 9, all raised to the power of square root of x. Now we can still multiply the power in law of indices, meaning 4 times 2x gives us 3 raised to the power of 8x equal to 2 times root x gives us 3 raised to the power of 2 root x. At this point, base can cancel base if we compare both sides. Left with 8x equal to 2 root x. If we still compare both sides, we can reduce both sides by saying 2 here gives us 1 and 2 into 8 gives us 4, meaning we are having 4x equal to root x. Next step, to remove this root, we square both sides. If we square both sides, we are going to have 4x all squared equal to square root of x all squared. 4 all squared gives us 16 x squared, because 4 squared is 4 times 4, equal to square, we cancel square root, left with x. Now we move this x to the left hand side, which gives us 16 x squared minus x equal to 0. And this gives us quadratic equation. Now we use factorization method. The factor here, what is common is x into 16x minus 1 equal to 0. At this point, what will make this expression 0? Either x is equal to 0, which is a solution, or 16x minus 1 equal to 0. If we solve this side, we have 16x equal to 0 plus 1. When minus 1 crosses sign of equality changes to plus, then 16x is equal to 1. Now to get s, we divide both sides by 16, which is the coefficient of x, which is 16x all over 16 equal to 1 all over 16. 16 cancels 16, left with x equal to 1 over 16. So the solution to this problem are s equal to 0, 1 over 16. Now we have to check if the answer is true. We write check. We write the original equation, which is 81 raised to the power of x all squared, 81 raised to the power of x all squared equal to 9 raised to the power of square root of x. First, we consider when s is equal to 0, which is this. Then we have 81 raised to the power of 0 all squared equal to 9 raised to the power of square root of 0. In law of indices, anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. If this is true, the bracket here, 81 raised to the power of 0, will turn to 1 squared equal to 9 raised to the power of square root of 0 is 0 equals to 9 raised to the power of 0. We continue. This implies the left-hand side, 1 raised to the power of 2 will give us 1 equal to 9 raised to the power of 0. Anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. So left-hand side is equals to the right-hand side. Then this solution satisfies the equation is true, meaning x equal to 0 is true. Then we move further. We want to test when x is 1 over 16. The equation is 81 raised to the power of x all squared equal to 9 raised to the power of square root of x. Put x equal to 1 over 16. That is 81 raised to the power of 1 over 16 all squared equal to 9 raised to the power of square root of 1 over 16. Now, if we multiply the power, we are having 81 raised to the power of 2 can cancel 16, gives us 1 over 8 equal to 9 raised to the power of square root of 1 is 1, square root of 16 is 4. We have 1 over 4. Now we want to express both sides in base 3. 81 will give us 3 raised to the power of 4, all raised to the power of 1 over 8 equal to 3 raised to the power of 2, all raised to the power of 1 over 4. Now we want to check if both sides are equal. 4 here, 1. 4 into 8 gives us 2, meaning left-hand side we change to 3 raised to the power of 1 over 2 equal to 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 4 gives us 2, which gives us 3 raised to the power of 1 over 2. The left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. So the answer is correct. So the answer satisfied when s is equal to 0 and when s is equal to 1 over 16 as the solution. If this helped, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.